Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today is our new year. So happy new year all of you. So same to me also. So today the timing was 12 o'clock. So right now my whole family was the ground floor and I'm the top floor. I'm sitting because in my home there is no any network connectivity. Who is using Geo SIM? There is no any Geo connectivity at my home, so that's why I came out upper upper side of my floor. And the house was constructed right now. My third floor was make my father, third floor is making, so my mother and sister is in hospital with my father, and me, my sister, my son, we are here. My husband was at his work, so everyone is separated now. So today is new year, so I'm not feeling happy because when all the peoples are with you, then you feel happiness, right? So in today's breakfast I ate poha with chai. And in my lunch I made it in the morning, so I made full carrot curry, like carrot. I'll mix veg, I'll make it today. And I'll make bajra chapati and wheat chapati. I made it today for eating. And I'm just sitting here that my husband is calling to me that today do you want to go outside. And I don't want to go outside also, because sometime I feel should I go out or not. If I'll go outside, I'll show you. I'll make up one video on that. But let's see what will happen next. So that's all. That's how I'm celebrating my new year. Nothing is happening inside me, because when your some family members are in the hospital, like my father is admitted from the last 1 month, so we are not happy from our inside. Sometimes we thought, okay, today we should cook this, and after that my mind say no, my mother was there, so I don't think so I should celebrate it like this. So, and my mother is saying, no, you can cook anything, you can eat everything, you can go outside also. You don't think about too much about that your father is in hospital. So that's all it's going in my mind. So these days what is happening with me, the the energy was, when I did not get married now, the energy was super duper, like in the new year. Oh, we always get up early in the morning, and every morning we did so many messages to the people, same to you, same to you, same to you. And right now I just got 2 or 3 message on my WhatsApp, and they only my friends did to me. And after that I just put up on status, and after that nothing is there. Nothing. As a homemaker there is nothing. So my husband is also saying that if you really want to go outside, so you can go with me. But I after said that if we will go outside, then we will spend some money, we will go any temple, we will eat something there. So there is too much pressure over there, because my husband's salary will come at after the 10th January. So that's why I'm not doing nothing. So guys, this is all I have in my mind. So as a homemaker I have to took something also. Okay, so I think that is enough. And today I'm thinking to create a one vlog also. If I'll do something, so definitely I'll create one vlog. Okay, so bye bye, let's meet in day 6.